The Spectralink vision is to partner with our customers to provide them the best mobility solutions as they migrate forward on providing great experiences for their customers, patients, and guests.
Spectralink's just filled with great people that have a passion for changing the way people communicate. We build fantastic solutions for customers that are on the move.
It's exciting to see new technologies pour out of Spectralink. I've never been in a place that's making so much new investment in new product in such a short time frame. We are working to enable our enterprise customers to have mobile workflows that enable their users, their workers, to do their work wherever they're at.
We have deep relationships with customers, and that collaboration and our expertise bring the right kind of solutions to market.
Innovation has been important throughout the history of Spectralink. If you go through our product history, we've had a number of innovations and firsts for the company. We have extremely good voice quality, very responsive products from an application standpoint, and it's really something that nobody else can provide.
Spectralink's vision for 2018 and beyond is to bring our enterprise customers together and enable end-to-end mobility for their users.
The workforce is really, in my mind, is transforming. They really need all kinds of information at their fingertips. It has to be real information that they can use to enhance their workflows and service their customers better.
It's really about thinking around the solutions overall and how people are going to use the devices. And that use comes not just from the Spectralink device, but also the workflows that those enterprise businesses want to enable.
We provide a variety of mobile devices to help customers match up against applications that are critical to them and provide the information and the voice capability to those employees so they can stay connected.
We have a very rich ecosystem of application partners. They are writing the workflow-specific applications that run on the device that really enhance workers' productivity.
Spectralink brings to our customers not only a feature-rich device portfolio, but also the broadest range of application partners. We have over 100 different application partners across different verticals that can drive new applications and help the customers achieve their goals.
That passion comes from knowing our verticals that we're in, knowing our customers, and continuing to work with them with passion and focus and innovation to provide great solutions.
As the world evolves and more companies look to replace feature phones, voice-only type of devices with smartphones, it's about the applications and what those enable on the device.
It's getting closer to them, being much more focused on their journey and a high degree of care and a high degree of touch to them. That's how we make a difference.